Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see a new problem statement in this Python programming series, that is program to find sum of n numbers using recursion. Actually recursion means the function call itself number of times until the base condition is satisfied. Recursion having two conditions, one is base condition and other one is the recursive condition. Here we are going to print the sum of n numbers by using this recursion. Okay. So we can print the sum of n numbers by using these loops, but by using this recursion is the best way to print sum of n numbers. For that, first of all, ask that user enter number of terms. N is equals to int of input, enter number of terms. Okay, asking that input number of terms. Here we are going to find out the sum of n terms by using this recursion. For that, define a function def of, and here let's suppose name the function name as sum. Okay, name the function name as sum and enter that. Use this another formal argument num. Here if num double is equals to 0 or num double is equals to 1, it means that sum of 0 terms is 0, right? Sum of 1 term is 1, right? So here we are going to return that num. If user entered 0 terms, now it returns sum of 0 terms is 0. If user entered as 1, now here it going to return sum of 1 term is 1. Okay, that this is the base condition actually in recursion. Another condition is else condition. Else return, this is this actual formula where recursive condition comes by using this num plus sum of num minus 1. It means that suppose user entered 5 terms, it going to return sum of 5 plus sum of 5 minus 1 is 4. This is the way how this recursion condition where the function call itself number of times. Okay, now here we are going to print this result. Print the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms is, we are going to print the sum of n terms by calling this function sum and including that n value. Now let me run this program and let's see how does it works. Okay, I will explain it with a by considering these test cases. Okay, it asks that enter number of terms. Let's suppose enter number of terms as 5. It gives that the sum of 5 terms is 15. Okay, this is the actual formula where you use in mathematics, that is the Gaussian formula. Sum of n terms is nothing but n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Yes. In this way we are going to, here we are using recursion to print the sum of n terms instead of using this Gaussian formula. Okay, now let's print the sum of 100 terms. It going to give the sum of 100 terms is 5050. Actually how does it works, I will explain with a test case where consider that if user entered num as 5, so n is not equals to 0. Now here it is going to come into this else condition. After coming into else condition, the return statement is nothing but num plus sum of n minus 1. If n is equals to 5, it nothing but num plus sum of num minus 1, right? So 5 plus sum of 5 minus 1 is 4. Now n value is get updated, n is equals to 4. Now here it going to give 4 plus sum of 3. N is again updated to 3 and 3 plus sum of 2. N again updated to 2. 2 plus sum of 1. So this is the recursive condition. This is the base condition where this is the recursive condition. Now finally here n is updated to 0, right? Finally n is updated to 0. If n is 0, then the sum of 0 terms is 0, right? Here the sum of 0 terms is 0 and 0 plus 1 is finally updated to 1. Sum of 1 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, the sum is updated for each term where sum of 2 plus 3. Sum of 2 terms is 3, where here 3 plus 3 is nothing but a 6. Now we have another condition, that is nothing but sum of 3 plus 4 is nothing but 6 plus 4 is 10. Here sum of 4 plus 5 is nothing but 15. This is the way we are going to print the sum of n numbers by using this recursion. If you have any doubts, please go through the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.